Well, today's dish is so engaging. All it takes is one bite and you'll fall in love. Howard shows us how to make engagement chicken in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Here in the Test Kitchen, we love when recipes have quirky stories behind them. As a matter of fact, the chicken we're making today is said to be so good that when a young lady makes it for her boyfriend, he's often so impressed with it, he'll propose. Now, we can't guarantee those results every time, but we can assure you that it's downright tasty. So let me show you how easy this goes together. All we do is place a whole roasting chicken in a pan and slather it with olive oil mixed with a few seasonings. After it's coated, we stuff it with a few sprigs of fresh rosemary and some lemon. Then, to make sure it's packed with lots of flavor, we squeeze fresh lemon juice all over it and finish it with a splash of white wine. Then all we have to do is pop it in the oven for about an hour and a half until the outside is crispy and the juices run clear. And when you serve this garnished with even more rosemary and a few roasted potatoes, you can bet everyone's gonna fall in love. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our engagement chicken. And after you make this, just maybe that someone special will pop the question before dessert. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, hoping you find this as engaging as we did. And if you do, we bet there will be lots of, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at